Hi guys, KamicarzCreations again. Just reviewing another part that I bought for the 6-cylinder build. This is a bit of a stopgap measure because if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I'm actually going to supercharge this motor. It's a low compression motor, I'm going to supercharge it. But just to run it in, I wanted to get it back up and going with the carby. I bought this 12-port manifold because the old head was a 9-port. Bought this from, you can see it, Oz Speed. Same as I bought a set of extractors off them too, which I'll eventually put on. They're a nice set of extractors. There is another company that I found, Sonic. Sonic's apparently is pretty good product, though it's a 4-barrel adaptation, which you can get an adapter plate, and I've got a 2-barrel carby. They're about the same price. This was 500, theirs is 500, but it's not a bad manifold. I'll keep it, maybe use it on a different motor when I'm finished with it on this motor, but it came up quite nice, clean, good product, fits up to the 12-port head really well, and seems to supply the fuel as it should.